In the past, we often took holidays where there was not much to do in the way of activities, but the food was always good, and we just hung out and ate meals all day. But now, things have changed.
Yes, it's a lot of fun to get out there. Kids these days tend to be cooped up at home playing their video games and sort of sitting around watching movies, just like we love to do. But remember this, we're very excited about getting out. We're going to take a holiday like we used to in the good old days. We used to get out there, we used to play, we used to laugh, we used to physically be really active and enjoy Mother Nature. What's also happened is kids these days tend to sit at home and play video games and hang around, which is okay. But it's better to get out. And that's what we're doing.
Come along with us on our journey into the past.
Oh, watch my head.
From the western edge of Highway 1 to the east of Appalachia, I got my ticket, baby, here I come. Following the crows and colors toward September.
Oh, this is nice. Look at this.
Early morning view of the mountain.
It's beautiful. Ah, 6 hours of drive. All that stress is gone in 2 minutes of being here. Absolutely beautiful place.
I can tell you what can be better than this. A nice cup of tea,
Yeah.
followed by a day full of activities. We are out in the open, remember? Rafting in the river Ganga, climbing, walking in the forest, and no food, except for healthy food.
Thank God you said that, because I'm getting really hungry right now. Thank you. You're too kind, sir. You're too kind. Beautiful blend. The aroma of tea. Something smells bad. Oh, sorry.
Are you done with your tea? Come on, good. Let's go.
I haven't even
Activity
started.
time.
Okay. Give.
Up 2, 3, up 2, 3.
It's so misty here. Beautiful.
Because your glasses are fogged up with the tea.
Beautiful. What a fog.
It isn't all about basking in the sun. It's time they brace themselves and get going.
After you finish tucking into lunch, you can pretend you're a python on holiday and lie down and let the food relax itself. Or you can be a little gazelle and go for a relaxing little walk in the forest.
Yeah, right. Relaxing little walk. This is like climbing Mount Everest, I can tell you. I'm wiped out. And the evil man who's made us do this, apart from him, whose idea it was in the first place, is this evil man, Shashank.
Come on, guys, just 10 minutes more. Come on.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
Just another 10 minutes.
You know that long, old, famous saying in Bollywood, "Tu chal mein aayi."
I'm coming, don't worry. I'm right behind you. It's quiet.
Come, guys, come fast. So, is it worth it?
Wow, nice shower after a hot, sweaty walk.
That is beautiful, man. Look at that. Oh. The journey itself is a reward, but the destination, my God, look at this. It is absolutely spectacular. The best part about doing this after lunch, you might struggle a bit on the way up, but once you get here with your lungs full of this clean forest air, all your stresses are gone. I'm so relaxed right now that I could just fall asleep. Right, Mayur? Mayur?
Yeah, yes, very relaxing. But here's the thing, when you go for a walk in the forest, just be careful about a few things. A, always carry a little bit of water so you're hydrated. B, put on some bug repellent or wear long sleeved and long legged clothing, and see. I've forgotten see because I'm so relaxed. Rocky will tell you the rest.
Always take someone along with you who knows the way, and that's Shashank. So, Shashank, is this like this all year long?
Yeah, predominantly yes.
You're lucky, man, to be living in a place like this here. Look at that man's face. So relaxed, so calm, always a smile. That's what you get when you live in a place like this. When you live in a place like we do, you look like Mayur. Show them your face. Whoa, guys, stop. Look at that. On that tree, it's a crested serpent eagle right there.
Oh, look, a red-headed, yellow-bellied, orange wing-tipped falcon.
Yeah, I saw it.
Me too.
Don't believe him. But we do have a lot of birds, and this is a great way to de-stress. Walk in the mountains in complete silence, and I can hear at least 5 species of birds around. So this is fabulous. Thank you, gentlemen.
Having enjoyed the beauty of nature, Rocky and Mayur are ready to take on the adventure that comes with it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Aspen Adventure से आप ही हैं?
Yes.
Very
Good morning.
good.
I'm Rocky.
Mayur.
देसराज जी, ठीक है, क्या प्लान है आज हमारे लिए?
60 फीट रॉक फेस है। आप लोग ऊपर रोप फिश है,
हाँ जी।
आपको रैपल डाउन करना है, इसको नीचे जाना है।
रैपल मतलब
There is a party and we have hope. वो म्यूजिक होता है।
climb up and come down in smoke.
ये रैपलिंग एक्टिविटी होती क्या है? जरा बताइए इन्हें।
अच्छा, रैपिंग नहीं, रैपलिंग।
रैपलिंग होता है सेंड होना विद रोप
अच्छा,
के साथ।
हाँ।
तो सबसे पहले इक्विपमेंट की जरूरत पड़ती है।
The important thing to remember is rappelling is just not a physical activity, it's a lot of fun. You're coming down a rope, you're fairly safe, you have a main line and you have a safety line. But what's important is when you do something that you've not done before, your brain actually rewires itself. Do something you've not done before and you'll see the difference. It's very important when you come to a place like this that you're very careful about safety. Even the instructor, as you can see, is tied to a safety rope so he doesn't fall down. And this is very, very important. That's what's happening right now. Even to fit me with the equipment, they're first putting a safety rope. Lovely. So it looks like I'm all set. All that needs to be done now is that I need to jump off. All right, guys, this is how it's done. I hope so. It's a long way down over here. So lean back and keep going slowly. Now the other challenge is that you'll be dislodging stones as you go sometimes. This is a lot of fun. Coming down is always easy. Woo-hoo-hoo! That was amazing! Unreal! Your heart is in your mouth, you're pounding away, but this is a really fun thing to do because by the time you finish, the world is a much better place. Let me kiss something, wait. I'm on the ground. I love you. I love you. That was incredible.
Here's my friend, the beautiful blue and brown boulder that came rolling gracefully down that mountain. How was it?
It was damn good, yeah.
Yeah.
But I have a lesson in philosophy for everyone over here. One of the hardest things to do in life is to let go. Let go of your hate, let go of your prejudice, and let go of the cliff face before you start. Once you do it, life is a better place.
What about if you let go of that rope?
Okay, don't let go completely. Let go a little bit at a time.
greater challenge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt to climb that whole cliff. Because going up for me is more fun than coming down. Climbing slowly and gradually, checking. Look, a lot of the stuff is going to break. Guy who's guiding me keeps the rope nice and tight so that I don't slip down too much if I fall. You can go up or you can get up this way and feel really high. Climbing is good for a lot of things. Balance, coordination, discipline, planning, and overall just for a great adrenaline rush. Can I do it again?
This is a beautiful morning. We're all ready. We've got the appropriate gear and we're here to do the one thing that we've been looking forward to. That is go rafting.
Whitewater rafting is a fun sport. You get to paddle, so you get nice cardiovascular activity going on. You're happy, you're breathing fresh air, you're out in the sun. What's there not to like?
Yes. And the best part is, once we get into the Ganges, all our things will be washed away. So we'll come out healthier, fitter, lighter. This is a beautiful place to come to. Get your lungs full of clean mountain air. Oh, nice hot sun, nice cool water. It is absolutely the one thing that you have to do at least once in your lifetime. Hi, Harry, aap hain?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Wonderful. All set?
Yes, sir.
Kya plan hai?
So I'm going in this rapid. That's called Gold Float. So this is our jacket.
Oh, it's a big one. That's a small one. That'll fit you. Now, the important thing to remember is we're doing two things. First, the rafting is going to be fun. And then at some point, Harry's going to throw us in the river and we're going to body surf or go down floating. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm getting a little worried personally, but what the hell?
I gotta tell you, girl, tonight I'll show you what I got. Feel like I wanna dance with you. Alright. I'm in your face. Everybody gotta dance this place. Don't you worry, it will be.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. This truly is one of those things that you have to do if you live in Delhi or if you ever visit Delhi. It's not far, it's about 6 hours. It is absolutely spectacular to be here in these forests, in these mountains.
Get out, breathe fresh air, get some exercise, get fit, and have smiles like this on your face.
Yeah.